So we have a triangle ABC, where AB is 15, AC is 20, and BC is 25. And this is page 495, number 39. Now, think to yourself, what type of triangle does this look like? And this should throw up a red flag in your mind. This is a right triangle. We're going to rotate it about BC. We need to find the height, and we need to find x. Now think about what this is going to look like. What you're going to have is you're going to have one cone where ABY is going to get rotated around, and then AYC. It's going to get rotated around BC. So you have to think about this as two different cones, where the base is going to be the circle that's formed by AY, because Y is the center of the circle. BY is the height of that cone. So we have to find the x. And we have to find h. Now, there's two ways you could do it. We could do our Pythagorean theorem two different ways with two different equations, but that can get challenging. H, remember, is the height. And the height is a special segment in a right triangle. The height and x are the geometric means. So I set up my geometric mean, where x is the geometric mean between the side that is 15 and the whole base, or the whole hypotenuse, of our right triangle. So then I solve and I get x to be 9 for that right triangle, and I then use my Pythagorean theorem, and the height ends up being 12. So then our volume is 1/3 area of the base times the height. Now again, let me emphasize the base segment here. The base is going to be H, or AY. That is getting revolved around Y. Think of Y as the center, and A gets rotated around in a circle. Where BY, so that's going to help us find the area of our base. BY, that segment right there, is our height. So I go through and I start plugging in. The area of our base is pi r squared times 9, which is our height. And I plug that in my calculator, I get 432 pi. So now we need to find the other cone on the other side and add the two volumes together. So I subtract to get YC to be 16. Again, I have 1/3 area of the base times the height. And let me emphasize something here again. That again, YC is the height of the cone that we have. And H, what we had before, is going to be the radius of the base. So that's going to help us find the area of the base. So then volume is 1/3 the area of the base, which is pi 12 squared, times the height, which is 16. I simplify that to get 768 pi. Now I need to add the two volumes together to get 1200 pi, which is going to be our volume.